Hey guys, welcome to your general career and money reading for the zodiac sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for July 2021. We are going to take a look at your over energies, what's surrounding you for the month regarding your career and money. And then we'll see what you could look forward to, what you could expect for the rest of July and onward. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that I am doing another giveaway. Since I'm getting close to hitting 20,000 subscribers, I would like to choose 2 winners for a 1-hour personal reading with me. The way that you enter this giveaway is by hitting the subscription button, the notification bell, giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a comment in the comments section below with the hashtag 20K. Once I hit 20,000, I will go through all my comments, select 2 winners, and make the announcement on the community tab. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you get notified when I select the winners. For the winners, if you guys are comfortable with leaving your email addresses in the comments section below of the post, you may feel free to do so. If not, you guys could feel free to email me. I will leave my email address in the post when I announce the winners on the community tab so that we could set up the personal readings. Those of you that are interested in booking a private personal reading with me, the link is in the description box below. All right, let's get started. Over energies for Libra. What is surrounding Libra? What does Libra need to know? What can Libra expect regarding career and money for July 2021? All right, 6 of Cups here. The Moon, Cancer, Pisces energy. The Emperor, Aries energy. 2 of Pentacles. 9 of Wands. 3 of Wands. 3 of Cups. I feel like you're looking back. I feel like you're looking back at the past here. I don't know. I'm feeling like you made the wrong decision in regards to a job. I feel like it's too hard. I feel like you're tired of it. I feel like you're searching for something else. But I don't know. I feel like you're repressing it though. I feel like there's a sense of not taking any action towards finding something new. I feel like you are looking, I feel like you are perhaps yearning for something else, but nothing's being done here. What's going on with this moon? Yeah, I'm getting this energy of you made, a wrong decision was made, and I feel like right now, wherever you're at, you're tired. Yeah. I just feel like you're yearning for something that's more fun. I feel like wherever you are right now, this work situation might be draining you energetically. What's going on with the moon? Yeah, 3 of Wands. I just feel like you're repressing your emotions. I feel like you're not outright saying what you truly want. Maybe you don't know what you want. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like there's also a sense of waiting for your ships to sail in. Just I don't know. I'm feeling like this energy of not really taking action, but sort of you're hoping something better will come towards your way. Perhaps maybe I don't know, a promotion, or maybe through word of mouth from friends that there is a position open that's right for you, that sort of thing. All right, tell me about the Emperor. 7 of Swords. Tell me about the Two of Pentacles. I feel like you're trying to get away from whatever you're at right now. You have the Two of Pentacles and the Lovers. Gemini energy. Tell me about the Nine of Wands. I grabbed two, Page of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Tell me about the Three of Wands. You have the King of Cups. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces energy. Tell me about the Three of Cups. And the Hierophant here. Taurus energy, Ace of Pentacles. You're definitely looking for new opportunities here. I'm feeling like you're looking back at an opportunity that was presented in front of you, and I just feel like you made the wrong choice. You could have had multiple opportunities, but there was one specifically that you wanted more. Because whatever you're doing right now, I feel like you're not loving it. I feel like you're just tired. I feel like it's overwhelming. I feel like it's a lot of work. I feel like you're bouncing around in different places, maybe different departments or something like that. Yeah, I just feel like you're trying to find something more emotionally fulfilling for you, because I feel like in the past, maybe you were in this energy of searching for a job that paid you a lot or something like that. So that in a way you're sort of like stable, sort of like set for life sort of thing, because you're being taken care of. You know when you're getting paid, you have insurance, that sort of thing. I don't know, there's this energy of like not feeling happy, and I feel like you're trying to find that balance, to find that happiness and joy. Surrounding yourself in a work environment like that, because I'm getting like this like really depressive energy. You're definitely yearning for a new beginning, but I just feel like there's not a lot of action being taken. You know, Libra, this doesn't have to be you. This could be someone that you're dealing with, maybe a partner, a friend, a family member. So just apply it to your own unique situation. This is a general reading, general career and money reading. All right, we have the Moon being clarified by the Three of Wands. The Emperor being clarified by the Seven of Swords. All right, Two of Pentacles being clarified by the Lovers. The Nine of Wands being clarified by the Page of Wands and the Ten of Wands. I mean, the Page is usually someone that, you know, is doing a lot of stuff, you know, bottom of the totem pole, that sort of thing, you know, and then they have to work their way up. But it seems like, you know, even though you yearn for this, like, energy of being an emperor at your workplace, you're still a page there, I feel. Yeah, I just feel like you're overworked and you're tired. You're juggling a lot of projects. You might be like an assistant or something like that. Three of Wands, King of Cups, Three of Cups and the Hierophant. All right, let's see. All right, what can Libra look forward to? What can they expect moving forward regarding their career and money? For the rest of July and onward, what does Libra need to know? What can Libra expect regarding career and money moving forward for the rest of July and onward? Four of Swords, Seven of Cups, interesting, we have the Lovers again. Gemini energy. Page of Cups. I do feel like you're going to be searching for something new. You might get a new offer in regards to a job, perhaps maybe a promotion, but it's something I feel like it's going to be, I don't know, I feel like it's something that's going to be more in alignment with what you want to do. It's going to make you happy. I feel like It's something that you're gonna love. You know, this is really funny. We have the Lovers, the Two of Wands, and the Three of Wands. I feel like there's a decision that you have to make here. Either cut ties with this current place, because what I'm seeing here with the Four of Swords and the Seven of Cups, there are like a ton of offers coming your way. Oh, okay, we have the World, Capricorn energy, or any of the fixed signs. We have the Fool, Aries, Aquarius energy, and the Devil. I don't know, I'm feeling like this strong urge of wanting to have this fresh start, but I feel like this job, even though it's a lot of work, I feel like it might, it pays really well. I don't know if you guys heard of that term, the golden handcuffs. Sometimes it keeps people from, you know, looking for something better, or going out on, you know, on a new venture to start a business or something like that, because there's like safety in that. I mean, I was one of those people too. It took me a while. It took a whole pandemic to realize that I don't want to work, that I was not built for this. I have always knew that I was never built for the 9 to 5, Monday through Friday structure. So yeah, it takes a while for people to realize that, you know, it's actually, it really depends on how you look at things, but personally, I feel like people are just not built for that type of structure, because, you know, some people do enjoy their freedom more, do enjoy, you know, more flexibility. So, and I feel like for me personally, with the 9 to 5 thing, I just feel like it never really worked out for me, because I felt like I never got the freedom that I wanted, you know? It's unnatural to, you know, just sit in front of a computer screen for 8 to 9 hours a day. Yeah, it's just, it's for me personally, it's just the environment is too controlled. Yeah. All right, tell me about the Four of Swords. All right, we have a star here. So, you know, Libra, I feel like you're more, what's gonna really make you happy, what's gonna fulfill you more is just, I think it's something that's sort of like working on your own time, maybe doing some freelance work, maybe something in the arts here, something that's creative. Tell me about the Seven of Cups. We have the Seven of Swords again. I feel like there's this energy of like robbing yourself of all these opportunities here, because they're being presented in front of you, but it's not being taken. Yeah, like I said, there's this energy of being tied to whatever you're doing right here. I call it the golden handcuffs. Libra, this doesn't have to be you. Like I said, this is a general reading. Like, this could be someone that you know that's going through this, you know, such as a partner or a sibling, you know, a friend. Tell me about the Page of Cups. You have the Four of Cups here. Yeah, you know, moving forward, there will be opportunities here. Just don't rob yourself of it. Just give it a try. If you have to stay at your current job just to get paid, try and make time for these opportunities that are coming your way. I feel like they're not going to pay a lot, but I feel like somehow it's going to make you emotionally fulfilled and happy. Tell me about this World. All right, we have the Empress here. Okay, we have the Empress to the Emperor. Very interesting. It's the same energy here, you know. I feel like you're the Emperor, I feel like you're this Empress, and I just feel like you're trying to figure out, you know, what your next step is. I just feel like you're ready to close out a cycle where you're unhappy, where you feel tired, where you're feeling like not very emotionally fulfilled. You're yearning for something else. Tell me about the Fool. You have the Ace of Swords. Yeah, I feel like there's this energy of maybe using that Ace of Swords to cut away the golden handcuffs here. Tell me about the Devil. Yeah, I feel like you will be going through a change. I feel like you will be going through a transformation here. I feel like you have a lot of choices here. We have all these choose. I feel like all these choices will somehow make you more sort of like balanced. Yeah, because there's a lack of balance here. All right. Four of Swords being clarified by the Star, Seven of Cups being clarified by the Seven of Swords, Page of Cups being clarified by the Four of Cups, the Worlds being clarified by the Empress, and the Fool being clarified by the Ace of Swords, the Devil being clarified by the Death card. All right, Libra, this is your general career and money reading for July 2021. If this resonated, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Thanks.